Let's find the square root of 3 and 6 over 25. First, convert the mixed number to an improper fraction. 3 and 6/25 equals 25 by 3 plus 6 divided by 25 equals 75 plus 6 divided by 25 is equal to 81 over 25. Now take the square root. Square root 81/25 equals square root 81 divided by square root 25 equals 9 over 5. And that's the simplified square root of 3 and 6/25. Let's find the number of seconds in 3.5 minutes. We know that 1 minute equals 60 seconds. So 3.5 minutes is the same as 3.5 minutes. Now multiply. 3.5 minutes times 60 seconds equals 210 seconds. So there are 210 seconds in 3.5 minutes. Let's convert 4.5 days into hours. We know that 1 day equals 24 hours. So 4.5 days is the same as 4.5 days. Now multiply. 4.5 days times 24 hours equals 108 hours. Therefore, 4.5 days is equal to 108 hours. Let's find the number of seconds in 3.25 minutes. We know that 1 minute equals 60 seconds. So 3.25 minutes is the same as 3.25 minutes. Now multiply. 3.25 minutes times 60 seconds equals 195 seconds. So there are 195 seconds in 3.25 minutes. We're asked to find the cost of 60 burgers if 4 cost $20. First, divide to find the price of 1 burger. $20 divided by 4 equals $5. Then multiply. 60 burgers times $5 equals $300. That means 60 burgers will cost $300. And we're done with today's math practice. More mathematics practice are coming up in the next video, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out.